Today, we're going to show you 4 easy steps for removing our unique Protect E-Shield grafted polymer coating. Here we see the window washer begin his descent to windows that still need to be cleaned after months of exposure to construction debris. You may notice something different and important about his approach. By dropping a hose from the roof of the building, our window cleaner will actually save time and produce much cleaner windows. How so? Well, consider the problems that come with just using water in his bucket. When cleaning off months of abrasive construction grime and concrete residue, it only takes a few windows before his water is filthy. With every window he tackles, his job becomes harder and slower. The prospect of getting a truly clean window gets smaller and smaller. And worst of all, the potential to scratch the glass becomes greater and greater. Now that our window cleaner has arrived at his first unit, we can see that some windows have been splattered with concrete, and in several areas they're covered with a corrosive chemical film that escapes from freshly poured concrete while it's curing. If these units had not been treated with EcoCoat's tough Protect E-Shield grafted polymer coating, the glass could have been permanently etched and pitted, requiring expensive replacement. And trying to remove the concrete isn't so easy. Many windows are scratched when cleaners try to remove splatter with a razor scraper. It's a tough, time-consuming challenge. The fact is that concrete doesn't just rest on the surface of glass. Because of the molecular similarities between glass and concrete, it actually attaches itself with a bond that is extremely difficult, often impossible, to break. Protect E-Shield greatly reduces or completely eliminates that problem. Using razor scrapers to remove debris from windows is no longer necessary. That's such an important point, we'd like to say it once more. With the EcoCoat glass protection system, using razor scrapers to remove debris from windows is no longer necessary. The costly damage caused by scraping off construction debris can now be a thing of the past. And so we see our window cleaner using not a scraper, but a hose to quickly rinse the window and remove all loose surface dirt. Because he works efficiently from the top of the building down, the windows he has already done always remain clean. Because this window has a particularly heavy concrete film, as well as actual concrete splatter, he quickly pre-treats it with our Converter E environmentally neutral coating remover from a pump spray. After letting it sit for a few seconds, he simply applies the Converter E solution from his bucket and wipes the surface with a common non-abrasive white cleaning pad. Occasionally, construction residue like industrial paints, glues, or concrete haze are even more stubbornly attached than usual. And in these cases, we see our cleaning expert going over those areas again. But you'll notice he still does not have to use a razor scraper to remove them from the glass. The new and superior drop hose method of window cleaning, combined with the unique environmentally safe chemistry of EcoCoat's Converter E, means that windows are quickly and safely cleaned after months of being protected by Protect E-Shield. The developer is happy because construction debris damage is reduced or eliminated. The window cleaner is happy because his job is now easier and takes less time. He enjoys a superior final result, and he no longer has to worry about scraper-related scratching. And the proud owner of the new suite is happy because he can enjoy the view and not deal with pitted, scratched, or hazy etched windows. The EcoCoat system, it's clearly the future of glass protection.